Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the canvas of your video on the Videoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then slide to the right side of the screen down below and tap on canvas. If you click on the format, you can choose from these different canvas options. As you can see, you have a bunch of options. If you tap on the fit button, you can also make it customized, and if you click on the background section, you can select the background color of your video, and also the blur effect can be adjusted too. So that's how you can apply these functions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.